Hello and welcome back. This is Miro from globalSEOexpert.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install the content management system such as WordPress or any other, but I highly recommend WordPress because it's easy to use and most of the websites use the WordPress, and it's a highly secured content management system. So previously what we were doing, we were signing up for the web hosting account in the previous second video, and I was showing you how to point the domain name servers, your DNS, from your current register, from your domain name register, which was GoDaddy. We remember here GoDaddy, back to Bluehost. But in the case that you were signing up for your hosting account and you got your free domain at Bluehost, you don't need to do domain name server setup and everything like that because it'll be registered with a Bluehost and automatically hosted with a Bluehost since you signed it up for the hosting account, web hosting account. So the only thing, if you did it the way I did, that I registered the domain name on the GoDaddy and pointed the domain name servers to the Bluehost, in that case, you will also need to do what I forgot to show you in the previous video. You will need to go, once you log into your Bluehost web hosting, this is the home. As you see, hosting home, you need to go to the cPanel here. And here under the cPanel of your hosting account, you will basically need to scroll down and find where it says where is it? It's over here, where it says here domains, and you want to click here where it says assign domains, the white plus in a red square. So you click assign domains. And here you will basically assign your domain. If it's very first time, obviously we've never assigned the domains previously before. We never registered the domain with Bluehost before, and we never transferred any domain to Bluehost hosting account before. You will need to freshly assign your new domain. So basically, it doesn't matter what name it is. You will just basically use a domain that is not already associated with your account. So you will take this little round box and you will type in your domain, which in my case is trade-u.org. It starts verifying, and you see, because I changed my name servers already at my GoDaddy register account, and I pointed them to my Bluehost web hosting account, it already shows up and it already detects that the name servers are currently set to ns1bluehost.com and ns2bluehost.com. So it's sorted. If it says something else here, you have to go and investigate and sort it out. You probably did something wrong, or the name servers didn't propagate fully yet. So as I said, sometimes it takes 48 hours to propagate name servers for. Usually it takes 10 minutes, but could take up to 48 hours. So once you have this message here, ownership verified, you will just go down here, you will click here in the step 3, you will click add-on domain if it's not clicked already for you. And here at the bottom, you will basically create a new directory, not use existing directory, but create a new directory. And you will click it and it will automatically create a new directory for you, and you just click assign this domain here at the bottom. You click assign the domain and that's it. Your domain will appear in your account shortly. And from there, we will go ahead and install the content management system, such as WordPress. So this takes some while. This takes some while, but once it's assigned, we can go ahead and work away. Ah, here we go. It's sometimes taking just longer than usual. Maybe it's because of my internet connection, or maybe it's on their side, who knows. But once it's assigned, you will find it here on the left side. I have several different domains there already, so just don't get distracted by that. But you will find your domain between the rest if you have more domains there. But if you're just one, there will be just that one domain name. As you see at the bottom, it says here trade eu.org add-on. So once you click on it, you will see the information here. And if you click on the name servers here, you will see NS1 Bluehost. It's pointed to the Bluehost, so it's fine. Everything's working. So once you're verified that everything is fine, you go to hosting again. Here at the top left corner, you click hosting. And then you click the cPanel. And once you're in a cPanel, you scroll all the way down to the bottom. Or not at the very bottom. Wait a minute. They must have changed the layout a little bit because the last time it's been a bit different. So sorry for the small confusion here because they seem to change it around a little bit. Yeah, okay. Here it is, Script Center. You will click on the Script Center here. Here we go. You will see, click the Script Center and install the scripts. It sounds a bit confusing here, so sorry for that. I got kind of confused because usually it's been at the bottom with a WordPress icon, so I don't know why they changed it out. But basically, once you go to the script installations or install scripts, you will see this Mojo Marketplace by the Bluehost. And once you're there, only what you need to do is click here at the left top corner under the Bluehost logo, one-click installs, or actually here down there is also one-click installs. And here we go. Here are our content management systems, website builders. Basically, most used is WordPress, Joomla, Drupal. But as I said, what we're going to use is the WordPress, which is the easiest and fairly the best content management system. So you click on the WordPress icon and then you simply click install. And now, again, you will probably, if it's your first time you signed up for the web hosting and you registered just one domain with your web hosting account, you will just find your one domain here. I have a whole bunch of domains here because I registered more domains, but you will find your domain that you want and you just click on it and it will pop up like this: http://trade.eu.org, and you click check. It will go ahead and check the domain, check and scan the domain if there is some errors or if the content management system is not already installed there or something like that. There could happen some things like that, that you just clicked somewhere and you forgot you installed it already, so it will tell you it's already installed, so you won't delete or overwrite all your files, which could be the pain sometimes, especially when you have a whole bunch of cool content on your website. So as you see, it checked, it's fine. You just need to here to click show advanced option, and here's where you type your website name, which will appear as your main name for your website. So since my website is tradeeu.org, I will name it as tradeeu. Oh, okay. The username I will use as well, tradeeu. And the admin password, okay, I keep it. You can create your own, you can generate your own. This is the default. It generates the password for you. So basically I will copy it and I will keep it. So, and here you need to click, I have read the terms and conditions, blah, blah, blah. So yeah, and click install and go ahead. It will install for you in the root directory of your domain. So you see at the top here, it's underway. Okay, install is complete. Click here to view the credentials. And here at the bottom, when it says alert action, click here, view. Just save your credentials somewhere, somewhere safe, because this will be available just for 12 hours here, and then it will be automatically deleted. So just from security reasons, you know. So I encourage you to save this, to copy this like that, and save it somewhere where it's gonna be safe for you, because sometimes you can forget, and it's just waste of time to go back and changing passwords and stuff like that. So save it somewhere. And since we have already everything sorted, there is no errors, error messages, everything is working well, you can click here and log in into your domain. And there you will be already in your domain name dashboard, where you can just work around. TradeU, my password, login. Invalid username. What did I do wrong? Alright, slash. See, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm talking about. You need to remember all your details, because there are such little things such as this here or space with no space could make a difference, and then you're lost. So save your username and password somewhere safe. Okay, and here we are. Here we are. This is the WordPress dashboard where you will manage all your website from and all the content on your website. It's simple to use. Maybe it looks a little bit confusing from the beginning, but it's actually not. It's very simple. It's much simpler than the other content management systems such as Drupal or Joomla. Joomla is quite confusing, and it says basically in next video I will go through the installation of the theme for your website, of the installations of the plugins for your website. It's basically the software that is helpful for your website for performance and stuff like that. And hopefully we will also create the first new post in the next video. It's that simple, and hopefully you will get value from this. If there is something that you don't understand, please let me know. Type a comment under this video, and I will go back and I will try to help you or create some additional training if there is more people who don't know or who are not clear about something. So thank you very much for watching, and talk to you soon. Bye.